Yeah, good morning, Linnea. Here I am. I'm in your Dropbox, and as you can see, this Access project has a .mdb, and I'm not sure what program MDB is, but what I need is your actual Access project here. If I right-click on this and I choose Properties, I can see that this is a .accdb. That's an Access database extension. I then can open that up in Access Database. One more thing, if you do have your Access Database open, let me show you what I've had some students do, and I cannot open it that way as well. So you've got it open. What it does is you really don't have to hit save every time you make edits to your database. So if I would happen to go in and maybe add a new account or something, that gets saved in this here. So I've had students, for example, maybe minimize this, and they've dragged the one with the lock into the Dropbox. I would not be able to open that. So what you got to do is make sure that you then close your database and make sure you get this right here. All right, so for example, if I did have that open, I believe if I right click on here and choose properties, this will have an L on it, and yes it does. See if I can extend this out so you can see that maybe a little bit more, but there it is. See the .laccdb. That's what people would be submitting to me. So please make sure it's just the accdb for Access Database. Awesome. I hope that helps out, and look forward to your submission soon.